Earlier in the year, RaceTrac contacted me and wanted to do something special for our school. They asked me to think about the needs of the school and how they could help. And so our school has a food pantry, and we do a distribution every Tuesday with a partnership that includes the YMCA, the Atlanta Food Bank, and our school foundation. RaceTrac donated the food that you see behind me to our pantries for Thanksgiving. They also donated $5,000 for our school council to help with different projects around the school. And they sent over 20 volunteers to come help us do math games and a campus cleanup.
We want to participate and be good partners with our community. So giving back is a big part of who we are as a company, and we love the schools and working with the school children.